Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to memorialize on Instagram account. So let's get started. So if you want to memorialize on your Instagram account, so to do that what you have to do is first open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on the three bar icon scroll all the way down, and after scrolling all the way down you will find help option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on help option now you just have to tap on help center, and inside your help center you will find the search bar in the top of your screen. What you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that now you have to search for Memorialize. So now you'll find a bunch of options, and the first option is report a deceased person account on Instagram, and the second option is request a deceased person Instagram account be memorialized. So what you can do is just simply tap on that option, and after tapping on that option just scroll down and then tap on account memorialize, and after tapping on account memorialize now again tap on memorialize the Instagram account, and after tapping on that scroll down and tap on request the memorization, and after tapping on request the memorization again scroll down and tap on memorize the Instagram account, and then scroll down. Here you will find this option which says request the memorization. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that scroll down and you will find fill out this form. So what you can do is just simply tap on fill out this form, and after scrolling down here you will find the following options that you have to fill out to memorialize that person. So first you just have to enter your full name, then enter the email address of that account, then enter the full name of the deceased person, Instagram username of the deceased person, and over here you just have to submit when did they passed away. So just simply select the calendar and then select the date when did they pass away, and you can also send an attachment if you want. And in description you can just simply type in that I want to memorialize this person because the person has died and he is so dear to me. So just simply type in anything that you want and then memorialize that person. So after doing that just simply tap on send, and after tapping on send your feedback will be sent and Instagram will memorialize that person's Instagram account. So that's it guys, this is how to memorialize on Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.